Do you want to see your archive stories on Facebook? So don't worry, you are on the right place, because in this video I'm just going to tell you how you can easily see your archive stories on Facebook. So make sure to watch the full video to don't make any mistake, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started with the wasting any time. And first of all, open up your Facebook and then just go to the menu and click on this gear to open up settings and privacy, and then just scroll down until you find the option of your activity. And in this activity option you can see the option of activity log. Just click on this activity log, and then you can see the option of archive. Just click on this archive option, and you can see your story archive. Just click on it, and then here you can see your archive story. So if you have only one story, it will be shown, and if you have multiple, it will be showing multiple story. So that's how you can easily see your archive story. So thanks to watch the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below.